Good night, my baby. Bersama Acila.
Lucci is ready for bed. Please, make him a glass of warm milk.
Mau pipis. Acila sama mau pipis. Mimpi.
Mana ya? Tadi ya. Itu dia. Wow. Mana ya?
Bobo.
Good night, Lucci.
Good night.
Nah, siapa lagi ya?
IP needs to sleep, but he is too busy playing with his toys.
Ini masukin ke sini. Oh. Ini satu lagi. Apa tuh Acila?
Good night, Hypey. Icky can't sleep because the mosquitoes are flying all about.
Jadi nggak bisa bobo. Tuh, bentol deh. Bentol. Sebelah sini. Satu lagi, dikit lagi. Sembuh.
Good night, Icky.
Good night.
Virgo is still awake because his room is too cold.
Jangan diselimutin karena dingin. Selimut. Bye-bye. Apa sih?
Good night, Otto.
Satu lagi. Dua lagi. 1, 2.
Oculus is trying to sleep, but the fireflies are dancing all around.
Udah bobo. Bikin palingnya pas dia bobo. Satu lagi Acila. Iya, satu lagi. Iya. Bobo deh.
Good night, Oculus.
Selimutnya daun kecil.
Otto wants to sleep, but the music is too loud.
Belum.
Good night, Oto.
Apa nih?
All the little monsters are asleep in bed.
Oh, semua.
You should do the same. Good night.
Acila juga harus bobo.